What's up, online shoppers? Look at this awesome machine I have here. I'm about to unbox the Keurig K Essentials 2-in-1 iced and hot coffee maker. Wow. Now, one of the coolest things about this product, it does hot and cold in the same machine. So you have a space-saving unit that will do two things at once. Let's get into this box and see how cool this product is. It's very nicely packaged. We've got this great little machine out of the box, so let's take a look at all the features, how it works, and what you get inside the box. Inside the box, you get this great little insulated cup for your cold brews. You get this awesome booklet that has all kinds of recipes in here for hot and cold brew. You also get the brewer machine that is going to do both hot and cold coffee. So let's take a look at how it works. Here is a side view and a front view of the machine. Now, as far as your footprint on the counter, it's 5 inches across and it's almost 13 inches deep. This does not take up a lot of space on your counter, and I love it for that. The other thing I love about it is dual function. It's going to do hot coffee and cold brew coffee, so you don't need to have two machines. You have your all-in-one awesome coffee station right here. I bought this one for my niece who is going away to university because I wanted her to have the convenience of hot and cold coffee in her room for those late night study sessions or those early mornings that she has to get to class and might not have time to get to the coffee shop before she goes. The parts of the machine are as follows. Right here we have our water reservoir. It has a removable lid, so you can take this off. Now you have two options. You can either just pour water in, or this will come off the side like this. Now inside here, you can see it right there, is a built-in coffee filter. And what I love about this is on this side, there's actually a little hook. And if you look at where it fits here, there's actually an opening. You will definitely know whether or not this is properly installed. This little hook will fit right in here. There's also a ridge along the bottom and ridges here so that this is going to sit nice and securely inside and you won't be able to pull it off. So you put your water in. There is a max water indicator right here, and it will show you how many cups of coffee you have left as well. There's a clear little demarcation on the water reservoir. So when we turn it like this, you can see the front view of the machine, and right here along the side you have all of your different sizes and functions. This machine is energy efficient. That means that after 5 minutes of inactivity, the whole machine's going to shut off. So it doesn't actually have a power button on it. It has an auto off. That's going to save you energy. As soon as you push one of these buttons, it turns the machine on. So I'm just going to press the top button here. You see it lights up like this, and these are your options for sizes. You have 10 ounce, you have 8 ounce, and you have 6 ounce. Now the other option you have with this machine, as I said before, is it's going to do a hot brew or it's going to do a cold brew. Now the default for the machine is a hot brewed cup of coffee, your traditional Keurig, what you expect in there. If you want to brew over ice, that's where this bottom button right here comes in. This is your cold brew button. But let's talk a little bit more about the machine. So you put your water in, you pop open the top here. This is where the K-cup is going to go, right in that opening right there. And you have a couple options. You can go to the store and buy all different kinds of flavors of coffee done in brand name Keurig pods. You just open the box, pop them in, close the lid, and you're good to go. But if you have a favorite brand of coffee, you can also get something like this. This is a universal K-cup that allows you to put your own coffee in. So all you have to do is pop open the top, put your coffee in, close it, and then you can pop that right into your Keurig machine and make exactly whatever kind of coffee you want to make. Making a regular cup of coffee in here is easy. You put the Keurig pod in, close the lid, select your brew size, and it will brew. This is a really cool feature. This is a reservoir that catches drips right here. You've got a little grate and the water will fall through here. So if you ever over brew or overfill your cup, it's going to catch it and prevent there from being any spills on the counter, and you can dump that. But it also is removable, so you can fit in your larger cup styles. Now, if you want to do a cold cup of coffee, it's a little bit different. This machine actually brews in 2 temperatures when you do a cold brew of coffee. What you're going to do is you're going to take your cup right here. So I would have put ice in here, put it underneath, selected cold brew first, and then it will brew the coffee. Now it's gonna brew in 2 temperatures. The first part is going to be the hot temperature, and it's only gonna brew 4 ounces of hot water through. There's gonna be a little bit more water comes through, another 4 ounces in cold, but the idea is that the first 4 ounces of coffee is gonna be brewed hot to get that good rich coffee flavor, and then after that it switches to cold brew to continue filling your cup. After you've done your brew, you can add in your macchiato cream, you can add in your caramel, your flavoring, you can add in your cream, and then you are ready to go. This is such a convenient, awesome little machine. Now the reservoir itself is 42 ounces, and you do have the convenience of 3 different cup sizes, which is nice because not always do you want a large cup of coffee. This great little tumbler comes included with the machine, but you can also see that it will fit a wide variety of sizes for cups, whether it's a larger one or you've got this great little reservoir that fits in and locks into place and gives you the option to put a smaller cup here without worrying about there being a lot of splashing. If you were looking for an awesome option for a gift, for your university student who's going away, for somebody who's got a small apartment, or just because you want to save space on your counter and have the option to have both hot and cold brew coffee, this Keurig K Essentials that does both hot and cold coffee is awesome. I can't wait to try it out, but it looks like it's gonna be a family favorite at my house. What's up everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.